Hi friends, welcome to NB Phenology. If you are new to the stock market and struggling to understand when to enter into stock market, this video will help with the question of when a new investor should enter into the stock market. Firstly, you should understand that stock market is not a cup of tea for every investor. Even by investing in stock, most of the general people like us lose money in the stock market. In sense of trading, more than 95% of the retail investors lose money in the stock market, but somehow now we are worrying about the investing. So let's get back into our question, when to enter into stock market. So as a new investor, when you are trying to enter into the stock market, I would ask you a question: what type of investor you are? Generally, there are two types of investors in the stock market. Those are passive investors and active investors. If you are just buying a share and holding it for 10 years or 20 years without changing the portfolio, you would be called as a passive investor. If you are a passive investor, I would suggest you to invest in the stock market when it falls 20% from the peak. So you might be wondered, when the market falls 20% from the peak, really no one can answer this question. But if you look at the chart of the Nifty, for those who are very new to the stock market, Nifty is the average of top 50 companies of the National Stock Exchange. So this is considered as one of the index of Indian stock market. So when the Nifty goes up, we assume that top 50 companies are going up. So as a passive investor, you would wait for the Nifty to fall by 20% from the peak to start investing into the stock market. So here there is another question: when will market fall 20%? For this question, no one can answer. But if you look at the previous chart from 2008 to 2020, in the past 12 years, there were 20% falls in the stock market. That means on an average, for every 2 years, there was a 20% market fall. So as the market has rallied a long way, there is always a probability of a 20% correction in the stock market. So wait for the 20% market fall from the peak to enter into the stock market. There were very big bull trends in the stock market in 2003 to 2008, where the Nifty moved from 1000 to 7000, 7 times in just 5 years. Even then, there were 20% market falls within these 4 years. So for the passive investor, it is always suggestible to wait for the 20% market fall from the peak and enter into the stock market. The active investors can give an entry into stock market at any time of the market. The market might be peaking out or the market might crash. In both the cases, we will find the stock with good valuations and we can enter and exit with the profit. So how an active investor can deal with the stock market? My simple answer would be buy low and sell high. This is what most of the active investors do in the stock market. As you are very new to the stock market, you would ask me how to buy low and sell high. For this, you have to understand about the businesses which are going in the real world. One has to identify where and which sector is going to face some bad situation right now. We must try to identify the sector which is going very bad in the current market situation, and we should try to understand which is the best company in that sector. Usually, governments try to balance the economy, and wherever the situation is going bad, they try to boost up with the support of banks. So when the sector is going to face some bad situation, government or the management will try to recover it back. In this process, management will try to understand how bad the situation is and also will try to create some resolution plan to come out of that bad situation. And every quarter by quarter, they inform people with the investor presentation that when this sector or a particular company is going to recover from that bad phase. And if you know that this company is going to be better in the next quarter, that is the right time to invest in the company where the stock will be bottoming out. This seems to be pretty easy but needs a little bit of work. And even the Warren Buffett says, invest in the companies only you understand. And finally, what makes you a successful investor? The simple answer would be discipline and patience. And why do people lack discipline and patience? The answer would be lack of knowledge. That means when the stock is going to move up or down and how to predict it, or they may not be able to control the emotions of fear and greed, and all this happens due to the irrationality of market. So before investing, you should know how the market is irrational, and the stock market is very simple if you try to know the psychology behind the stock market. For this, a book named Irrational Exuberance is a very great book which tries to help a new investor to understand the psychology behind the stock market. So if you are very new to stock market, I would suggest you to go and read the book Irrational Exuberance. If you want to buy that book, you can find the book link in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe NB Phenology. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you have any questions, you can comment below.